Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your mobile network problem. If your network is not working or any other issue, it is always crashing or it is not showing the symbol of 4G or 5G, also how you can fix this problem or voltage problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, open the settings app, and here you have to just swipe up. You can see there is a system, and here it is a reset options, reset mobile network setting. Then you have to click on reset and reset setting, and then you have to simply just press power button, and you have to restart your mobile phone, and then it will be all fine, and now your network will be good. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.